Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how we can get money back on our purchases, okay? Let's say you just placed an order on Temu and you're waiting for it to be delivered. You can actually get money like refunds on those items you bought before they arrive or before they are being delivered to you. Let me show you how. This is a way you can save money on Temu app, okay? So after you've placed your order, you've paid, you're waiting for your items to be delivered. This is what you do. You click on the U icon down here. You click on your orders, okay? Here you're going to be getting information on everything you've placed an order on that you're waiting for that hasn't been delivered to you, okay? So locate where those items are. You click on it. You click on that particular place because you're going to be seeing the option for price adjustment. Now you click on price adjustment, and if there is any refund that is available, then you can claim it, okay? So this is called the price adjustment on Temu for items that have been placed an order on and paid for. Within the first 30 days, you can actually get refunds on that item. It doesn't happen automatically. You have to actually apply for it. So what I've showed you now is how to apply for it. Now, once you get to this page and you see there is something available for you to get, just click on request a price adjustment. You receive it in seconds and it goes to your Temu credit. In that is just easy, like in less than how many seconds you're getting your refund to your Temu credit. Now when it gets to your Temu credit, of course you can use it when you want to place another order in the future or here on the Temu app. No, you cannot cash it out. You can only use it to spend on your Temu purchases on the app, okay? If you don't know how to locate your Temu credit, don't worry, I'll show you how. Just okay, we are back to the home interface. Click on the U icon, and here your credit is here and you see how much you have here. If you click on use now, then it's going to take you to your cart and you check what you want to check. And when you click on checkout, you will see that the money in your Temu credit has been deducted from the total of what you're supposed to pay for. If it covers the whole expenses, then you don't need to pay anything extra. But if it doesn't, then of course you need to pay what is left. So that is it. It's so easy. So easy. Like, I don't know, a lot of people place their orders on Temu and they just forget about it and wait for their delivery, and you're leaving out a lot of money, okay? We don't want to do that. If there is money being offered to you on Temu, why not? Grab it with both hands and don't just leave it there. I know I've been able to help a person or more people on this app to save on the Temu app. Let me know if you've ever used this feature and tell me how much you're able to get out of it. I think the highest I've gotten so far is around €5 because I do this every day until I get my item delivered to me. So sometimes I can get as high as up to €1 refunded to me, or even almost €2 in a day. So you might check now and you see nothing, maybe in the next 1 hour or two, there is a refund available for you to get. So always go back to check, okay? Anyway, if you've watched to this point, thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye.